Get back, get back! There you go, dump it in, Tyler. Nice job, chase it, Nikki. That's you, Nikki. Pressure it, pressure it, pressure it. Good job, lift the stick, lift the stick. Good job, way to fight for it. Good job, Nikki. Go, Max. Dump it in. Oh, nice shot. Where'd that shot come from?
Hey, he's got a good shot, Dad.
Oh, Tyler going. Oh, Tyler almost buries it. Is that the sound system? Nice pass! That's how to do it! Oh, come on! Jam it, Ellis! Oh! Go to the net, Max! Go to the net! Max taking a nice long shift there. Good job. Oh, Riley got beat. Get back, Brandon. Oh, Riley's back checking. Good job. Yeah, they're checking. They're physical. Out she comes. Oh! Good job, Brandon. Nice passing. Let's see more of this. More passing. Nice. Oh yeah, nice pass. Oh! Aiden, put your stick down. Oh, yeah, nice pass! Oh! Nice pass by Nikki. Perfect. Oh, Cameron. Oh, yeah! Nice shot by Cameron. Nice shot. Good passing, Nikki. Cameron got his pocket picked. Oh! They're wide open in front of our net. Go to the net, Aiden! Oh, he missed the net! Oh! Yeah. Oh, nice tip, you guys! Nice tip. There we go, Nikki. Aiden, put your stick down. Yeah, the goalie is actually pretty good. Go to the net, Nikki.
In the middle, Leo.
Nice passing, you guys. Nice passing. Max is battling. Get back there, Max. Catch her, catch her. Oh, that looked like a hip check to me. Oh, he got her. Max on the face-off. Yeah, we will. We'll correct the score sheet. That was a great shot. Ooh, here we go. Go to the net, Alice. Go to the net. Don't go outside. Oh! Oh, offsides.
I'm not getting any shifts.
You just had a really long shift right there. And you almost scored now. Max, you're centering. Go up to forward, bud. Yeah, get Ellis a goal, dude. Max, you get the same shifts as everybody else on offense.
Los Angeles bullhorn.
Here we go, Nico. Oh, nice save by the goal.